Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual person, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Jimin looked at the suitcase. Finally, everything is done. Plopped himself on the couch. Let's check the list. Luggage done. Passport and documents done. Snacks done. Travel pouch done. Everything has done. I packed the gifts which T and Hobie gave me for honeymoon. Matching couple t-shirts and footwears. I know Yoongi will say it's cheesy, but I will make him wear all of them. Took out a book which was gifted by Hobie. Hobie told me to read this book in alone. It will help me to make our honeymoon spicy and more romantic. I'm thrilled to do all those things which is mentioned in this book. Heard the footstep and hurriedly hide the book. Yoongi, why are you wearing suit? We are going for our honeymoon, not for any business meeting. And it still has time for our flight. Yoongi came to him. I know, Jimin. Then why did you get ready? Yoongi, Jimin, actually, there is very important global meeting today. As a CEO, I have to be there. So, Jimin, oh, I can understand. It's okay. Go. Our flight is in 5 hours. I will meet you directly at the airport. Everything is already packed. I will book the cab and go to airport. Yoongi, Jimin, we aren't going anywhere. I cancelled the trip. Jimin, shocked. What? When did you cancel it? Why didn't you tell me about it? Yoongi, just few minutes ago. Actually, this meeting can't be rescheduled. It's really very urgent. Jimin, so you cancelled our honeymoon. Yoongi, Jimin, I'm really sorry, but we will go after some time. Jimin, Yoongi, it's third time you cancelled our honeymoon in this 2 months. Yoongi, I know and I'm really sorry for it, but what can I do? I'm CEO. I have to be present in the meeting. Now I'm going. Bye. You are my understanding husband. Please understand this time. I promise next plan won't be cancelled. Left. Jimin sat on the couch while angrily looking at the suitcase. Ah! I don't understand. He married with me or his office. Whenever we plan to go on honeymoon, his meeting is scheduled on the same day. Time skipped after some times. Doorbell rang and Jimin opened the door with sad pout. He was still mad and upset for not going on honeymoon. He saw his best friend and Yoongi's younger brother T, Hobie and Cook, T's boyfriend, were there. He didn't look at them and sat on the couch. T, full chaotic voice. Yeah, your bestie and emotional support team has arrived. Hobie raised a bag. Emergency wine, snacks, and emotional damage repair delivered. Cook, Jiminchi, we came here to do before honeymoon party, and don't worry, we will drop you at the airport. You don't need to book cab. Jimin, yeah, I don't need to book any cab. Hobie saw his sad face. What happened, Jimin? Aren't you happy to see us here? We came here to cheer you. T. Where is Hyang? Don't tell me you both fought just before going to your honeymoon. Cook. Jiminshi, what happened? Why are you looking like you are gonna cry at any time? Jimin shouted, I'm not going to cry, I'm angry. Hobie smiled. Jimin, you don't even know how to get angry. By the way, what happened which you made this much angry? Jimin, Yoongi cancelled our honeymoon. Now we aren't going anywhere. Everyone super shocked. What? Hobie, third time he cancelled honeymoon, third time in 2 months. Unbelievable. What's the reason of this time? Jimin, global meeting has scheduled today. As a CEO, I have to present in the meeting. It can't be rescheduled. You are my understanding husband. Please understand this time too. I promise next time it won't be cancelled. He said this. T. I knew it. That's why I told you to not marry with that iceberg. For him, his work is everything. I'm his brother. I know him better than anyone else. He is good for nothing. He only knew how to ruin everything. But you didn't listen to me. Now suffer. Cook angrily looked at T and hit his shoulder. If you dare to cancel our honeymoon, then I swear I will break your all the bones. I'm black belt in Taekwondo. T gulped hard. Cookie, baby, I'm not like that iceberg. For me, my relationship is more important. I already told in house that I will work after coming back to our honeymoon. Side hugged him. Hobie looked at them from bombastic side eyes. Here he is sad and you both are romancing. Shame on you. What kind of friends are you? Cook pushed T. Jiminshi, don't be sad. See, we brought the things for partying. Let's party and enjoy. Jimin stood up. I'm not in mood. You all enjoy. T held his hand and made him sit beside himself. Then we will make your mood. They all made a plan and forcefully made Jimin drunk. Jimin was an understanding person. He never took out his frustration. He calmly accepted everything, but this time they wanted him to show his anger. He wanted to take revenge from Yoongi because he always scolded him. They started provoking Jimin. T poured the drink in his glass. Jimin, you know what? Hang is taking advantage of your innocence and understanding nature. Jimin looked at him with narrowed eyes. Really? Cook, yes, Jiminshi. This meeting is the villain of your love story. Hobie, have you two yet? Jimin looked at him and slowly shook his head. No, that meeting freak man didn't touch me yet. Cook, see, Jiminshi, this meeting is snatching your husband. If I was in your place, then till now T would be in the hospital. T, Jimin, you should fight for your rights. Don't let Hyang to take advantage of you. Hobie, Jimin, if you didn't realize yet, soon Yoongi will divorce you and marry with his work. Jimin stood up while holding the bottle. No, 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 no. I won't let Yoongi marry his laptop. I will fight for my rights. I will straight go to his company and protest for my right. I will arrest everyone under the crime against love, said in drunken voice. T. Jimin, don't forget to ask kiss. Jimin looked at T. Yes, kiss. Jimmy wants kissy. Touched his lips. Here, I will kiss him. T, you are my true friend. I owe you. Min Jungi, Min Jimmy is coming. Finish the bottle and pick the another one. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Started circling. Hobie, Jimin, what are you doing? Jimin, Jimny started car. Jimny go company. Jimny protest. Cook, I think Jiminshi is full drunk. We should take him to his room. T, what take him to his room? We should drop him to company. It will be so much fun to see Hank's reaction. He always scolds me and calls me dumb and useless. Let him know what an useless can do. Hobie, T, it will be so embarrassing. Global meeting is big thing. What will they think about Jimin? T, chill Hank, nothing will happen like this. They should also know that they can't interrupt someone's important movement just because of their meeting. Cook looked at Jimin, who was fighting with door to open it. Jiminshi, wait! Hobie, Jimin, wait, let me drop you at the company by my car. Jimin looked at him. No, Jimny, no, Cook, Jimny car. Vroom, vroom, vroom. They dropped Jimin outside of the company and told him to go inside. Jimny went to company, but guard stopped him. Guard, who are you? Where are you going? Jimin looked at him and hiccuped. Me? Jimny. Super boss. Jimny come protest. Pushed him and walked inside. No stop, Jimny. Jimny so dangerous. Guard held his hand. You little boy, you are so drunk. You should go back to your home. Ah! Jimin bit his hand. No stop, Jimny. Ran inside. Stop. Hey, who are you? Where are you running? Jimin. Jimny super boss. Stop. Guards, stop him. Jimin. No stop, Jimny. Jimny dashi, run fast. Ran from there. Meanwhile, in the meeting, a high-stake meeting is progress with CEO, investors, and board of directors. The glass door burst open, and Chayo walked in messy hair, mismatched shoes, holding a bottle of liquor. Because of dim light, nobody saw him. Jimin dramatically entered, swaying, holding a bottle like a mic. Hello, everyone. Mic testing. 1200. June. Yoongi is young. Jimin, you here? What happened to you? Jimin looked at him with dramatic eyes. Jimny, come important work. Pushed him but couldn't. Who brought this much big stone here? Where is that criminal who stole my honeymoon? Yoongi stood up. Jimin, what are you doing here? Jimin looked at him. You cold-hearted, suit-obsessed Min iceberg, Yoongi. You cancelled our honeymoon for this. Yoongi went to him. Jimin, you are drunk. Jimin pushed him. No, Jimny, no drunk. Jimny, important work, come. Climbed on the long table and stood up. You all are criminal. Yoongi held his hand. Jimin, get down. What are you doing? Jimin bit his hand. No disturb, Jimny. Looked at others who were looking at him with weird eyes. Officer Jimny here. Officer Jimny, arrest you under against the crime of love. Yoongi, Jimin, you are wearing two different shoes. Let's go home and come back after changing shoes. Jimin looked at his shoes and threw it on Yoongi. Now it's fine. Because of you, all Jiminy no go honeymoon. I mean Jiminy declare war on this meeting. You all are enemy of Jiminy's romance. Yoongi sat on the chair by holding his forehead. Jimin, please stop it. Jimin looked at Yoongi. You iceberg? Jiminy, you affair. Yoongi looked at him with widened eyes. My affair? Jimin, yes, your affair with this laptop. You are planning to divorce Jimmy and marry this laptop and making small disc, na? Jimmy won't let this happen. You are only Jimmy's husband. Yoongi shook his head in disbelief. How many bottles he drank? Jimin looked at investors. Do you think Jimmy isn't hot? Removed his long cape and threw it while swinging it in air. Jimmy hottest, crawled to June's husband. Mama, cupped his face. Isn't Jimmy hot? Jin patted his cheeks. My Jimmy is the hottest. Jimin, then why this iceberg don't touch Jimmy? Yoongi raised his voice. Jimin, shut up and come to me. Jimin angrily looked at him. Jimmy, no, shut up. You shut up. Jimmy, no, come, Mama. Jin, Mama is here, baby. Jimin looked at him. Mama, what is more important, kissing your husband or this boring meeting? Jin looked at June. Well, kissing your husband is more important. Yoongi stood up. Enough of your nonsense. Held his leg and pulled it. Jin, Mama! Picked a glass of water and threw it on Yoongi's face and again crawled back. Yoongi sat on the chair and wiped his face. Jimin slammed his hands on the table. Jimmy will show everyone you all are enemy of Jimmy's romance. June sat beside Jimin. What happened to Jimin? Jin whispered to him. This happened when you cancelled their honeymoon. I told you to not call Yoongi. Let him go honeymoon. But you didn't listen to me. Yoongi, Jimin, get down from the table. You enough embarrassed yourself. Jimin looked at Jin. Mama, you know this cold iceberg didn't kiss me. Mama, Jimmy so sad. Jin, oh, Jimmy, don't be sad. If he didn't kiss you, then you should kiss him. Jimin, you're right, Mama. Jimmy will kiss cold iceberg. Made a big kissing pout. Cold iceberg, Jimmy is coming. He crawled to Yoongi, who was sitting while holding his forehead. He was so embarrassed. He sat on his by crossing his legs off his each side of leg and cupped his face. Yoongi, Jimin, leave me. Everyone is watching us. Jimin looked at others with big angry pout. Close your eyes. Is it good to see others romance? Mama. Jin, we all are closing our eyes. You continue. Jimin, now no one looking at us. Yoongi was pressing his lips tightly and shaking his head vigorously. Jimin pressed his cheeks and leaned towards his lips. Their lips met, but before Jimin could kiss him, he fell on his chest while mumbling. Jimin mumbled, Jimmy won't defeat by laptop. Passed out. Yoongi smiled. Only he could turn the serious board meeting into a love protest. He apologized to everyone and picked him in his arms like cola. Jin handed him Jimin's shoes and covered Jimin by his long coat. When Yoongi was walking while carrying Jimin like a baby, tea, hobby, and cook, swat them, and toast for their mission success. Time skipped in the morning. Jimin woke up with extreme headache. He saw Yoongi was sitting next to him. He didn't remember anything. Yoongi, good morning, Officer Jimmy. Jimin looked at him. Officer Jiminy? Who is he? Yoongi, sit by yourself. Turn on the TV. He played meeting rooms footage. Jimin's eyes widened to see the footage. He couldn't believe on his eyes. He pulled the blanket over his head out of embarrassment. Yoongi, what happened, Officer Jimmy? Won't you arrest me? Jimin, it's so embarrassing. I'm sorry. Yoongi, sorry? You kissed me in front of everyone, threatened my brother to sue, called my brother-in-law Mama, accused all the investors and everyone for anti-romance crime, called me a criminal. Now you are feeling embarrassed. Come out now. Jimin tightened his grip on the blanket. I won't show my face to anyone. Yoongi pulled the blanket. Everyone saw your hotness yesterday. Jimin covered his face by his hands. Will you divorce me? Yoongi, I won't dare to divorce you and marry my laptop and make a small disk. Jimin, sorry. Yoongi, we are going on our honeymoon. I packed the bags, booked private jet. Jimin, really? And your work? Yoongi, after seeing your performance, everyone got traumatized and gave me holiday. Jimin, sorry. Yoongi, only last work is left which was pending. Let me first complete that. He leaned closer to Jimin's lips and kissed him. That's how Benjamin got his honeymoon after threatening board of directors, investors and suing them against the crime of love. Even the most composed relationship need time, attention and a small gesture of love. Relationship is as important as work. Sometimes expressing emotions, no matter how much messy it be, can bring hidden feelings to light. Love isn't always serious. It thrives in laughter, chaos, and unexpected kisses. And sometimes a drunken protest might just fix what silence couldn't. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. How was the drunken Jiminy? To be honest, if you have best friend and sibling like me, you don't need any enemy. He is enough to give you heart attack. But the perfect timing to choose to take revenge from Yoongi. Only sibling can do this. It was embarrassing, but gave Yunmin an unforgettable lifetime memory. Now Yoongi will always think twice to cancel any plan. What if Jimin again comes and crash his meeting? Then I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.